Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting direct access to the router interface, so plug an Ethernet or join the admin Wi-Fi. Once connected, open a browser and go to 192, 168, 0, 1 or the IP printed on the router. Log in with admin credentials. Make sure to export or note current settings and firmware version before changing anything because you may need to roll back. Now navigate toward wireless or guest network sections. That's where QR code options usually live. Once you're in wireless or guest settings, scan the page for labels like QR code, Easy Connect, or Share Wi-Fi. Manufacturers place QR options under guest or device sharing. Disable the QR toggle, and while you're here, turn off guest SSID broadcast and WPS or Easy Connect if enabled. These are common backdoors. After making changes, click Save or Apply and allow the router to commit settings. If prompted, reboot. This reduces automatic sharing and closes typical QR-related access paths. To finish, verify that the QR is gone by attempting to scan any QR shown on router stickers or in the app. The scan should not auto-provision Wi-Fi. If the old QR still connects, forget the network on your phone, clear Wi-Fi cache, and reboot both phone and router. If changes don't stick, update the router firmware, then perform a factory reset and reconfigure with a strong admin password. That resolves persistent or buggy QR sharing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.